I hope I will get my Indian visa. This is not for sure. I heard so many travelers getting the visa denied.
It is so cold. Like, I never been lost because I have a really good navigation. I looked back and I didn't recognize a single thing. Good morning, all my beautiful people. I hope you're doing well. Another day, another opportunities. I slept like a baby. I don't know what's this. This blanket is so soft. It's so nice. I love this blanket. I want to take it with me the whole way, but I can't. Look at this. Blue sky. And guess what I'm doing? I'm going to Passu. I go to Passu and I'm gonna do a hike there to the glacier. I will bring my bag with some water, snacks, maybe have some breakfast on the way. We will see how I manage myself. Let the adventure continue. Check this weather. This was the weather I was waiting for a few days. It's been raining and a little bit stormy and stuff, so on the weather forecast we have sun for a whole week. So now it's time to explore. Woo! Maybe the side stand is a very good one, I always forget. Yes. Okay, let's hit the road. There we go. Any cars coming? Yes, oops. Woo, check it out. Ain't that blue, eh? Ain't that blue? Glacier water. Ah. What a wonderful day. Ha!
So I have maybe a week left here in the northern Pakistan, and I'm gonna head down to the south again because I hope I will get my Indian visa. This is not for sure. I heard so many travelers getting the visa denied, and I'm pretty sure mine will be denied as well as 99.9% of all the other travelers. So, yep. What will I do then? Oh, as well, I need to do exit permit. So I need to wait for the exit permit to be able to leave Pakistan, because I overstayed here due to the, when I got stuck in Taftan. If you check my earlier episode, if you're new here, you will see what happened. Anyway, let's enjoy this amazing day and take day by day, and then we'll see what happens. It will be okay. So we're gonna park her here next to the yak grill where I went the other day. I was eating such a delicious food over there. Yak meat. Oh, super nice. I think it's the best one here in Hunza. And I'm going there. That's the place where I'm heading. But first I'm gonna have some breakfast was the plan. So let's go for that. I used to order a paratha, fried egg, coffee and water to sit and enjoy here a little bit. Before I start my little hike, I was actually here yesterday as well, and I had the famous apricot cake here. It was so good. In the afternoon with the sunset, it was great. So let's try the paratha and fried egg. Paratha, fried egg, coffee, mountain view. I think we're gonna go like there and up there. We will see. I follow the tracks on Maps.me. They're really good, pointing out all the tracks everywhere. So the first path, and we're passing some, I think they are like places for the cows, for the animals, jeeps. Yeah. Whew. He scared me so much. He came out from nowhere. Hey, are you eating? River crossing! Woo. The mother is over there. Yo! Hi! You have a really cute little baby. I need to take a lot of breaks because on this altitude I'm not working super well. That's okay, a lot of breaks and you're fine. This is Passu Lake coming here, and then after that the river, and if you reverse and we go up there, you will see soon is the glacier. Many nights when I went to sleep, I couldn't sleep because my legs has been awake. It's like they want to run a marathon. But my mind and the upper body just want to sleep. And this is exactly what I need. I need to walk, I need to use my legs, get out some energy. Oh, it's so nice to move your body. When you're hiking, it's really important that you look back as well where you're going. I mean, this one is pretty easy. You know, I'm going the same way back. But if you're in a forest, you can get really lost, as I did once. It was in my younger years. I was in my home, and I went back in the forest, far in the forest, and I wanted to get lost. Like, I never been lost because I have a really good navigation. So I went out there really cocky in the forest and walked around, and deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper until I came to like a swamp. And I was sitting there really happy, like, And then I turned back and was going to the road. I looked back and I didn't recognize a single thing. I was walking in circles for a long time. A long time. I started trying to find ants' nests because they are based in the south, because I had no navigation, no south, no north, nothing. I didn't know anything. I couldn't find any nests, so I tried to navigate through the trees, through the sun, and luckily I arrived on the road about like 2 kilometers down. I had my phone with me so I could check, but I refused. So for a couple of hours I was out there in the forest walking around and, you know, getting lost. I got lost. So it's very important to look back and mark the way where you're going, especially in a thick forest when you're walking there. Here it's easier to navigate through the mountains. I mean, I only have path here and path back, and I have different kind of, what do you call it, landmarks, like this big rock. I have this mountain, I know that one, you know, so that's easier to navigate. Here it's more landslides and stuff you gotta watch out for, and I hope to see an ibex, but I think they are much far up in the mountains right now, but it was so nice to see one. Yep, let's continue. Here is a pretty clear landslide. That's been happening for a week ago or something. A lot of water coming from here and opening the ground. Down there is the track. I think I found the mountain tea. This one. It smells exactly like the mountain tea I had here in Gilgit. Oh. Do you know? Is this the mountain tea? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna do a little bit of scrambling. I would like to get up on the top there and see the glacier. You gotta go through some rocks. Some of them are pretty loose. I want to reach there, and I can have a pretty good view of the glacier. Oh, a lizard! Hey! Holy! Look! Water is pouring out underneath there. The glacier is coming up like this. How incredible! Wow! Nice to get close to it and see it like this in this distance, but as well it's very beautiful to see from afar when you see all the different layers. That is so cool. What a hike! Love this hike. And then that way, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh. Opa. Then I went like this down. This is super, super sharp. It's like layer after layer. It's like a knife. So there you gotta be careful. I took my hand there to push myself up, and yeah. I thought we could touch the Passu Glacier water. Used to do it once in my life. Jeez. It is so cold. I did actually swim in glacier water back in Sweden. Holy, it was cold. You got in and you got out. We're doing a hike in the mountain and pitched our tent next to a glacial lake or a river. Woo! But refreshing, very refreshing. I wonder what these berries are. They're so cute. If you know, let me know in the comments. They're laying there and sunbathing. I'm not gonna disturb you. I'm just passing. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the peace, the quietness. I'm just gonna pass slowly. I love animals. I met them again. Hey! Hey mama! Hey little one! Hey! Mother and the daughter or son. Oh! Enjoying the water. Hej! Kommer du ihåg? Kommer du ihåg? Jo. Kommer du ihåg? Och lillnäsan. Jo. Oh. How lovely is that? These animals are amazing.
You. Scratching, scratching. Oh, scratching. Do you want more? Okay. Oh, he loves it. Are you the cutest little cow in the world? Oh. And we key like this. This is called love. Affection, saying thank you for petting me. You. They only want love. Unconditional love. We are getting kisses here. Kisses in the face. Oh my god. Oh, not in the face. But on the hand was okay. Oh my god. I'm loving it.
It's so typical when I had one destination left to do before I go back, but I don't know if I can do it. I have such a pain in my stomach ache. Oh, I will see if I can get rid of it, if I drink some water and stuff. Oof. Otherwise we do it tomorrow. Salam! Home sweet home. He's gonna park. It's a lot of loose stones. That's sometimes a little bit tricky, but it's okay. Hello, salam. Are you okay? I've been laying down in my bed a little bit just to get rid of that stomach ache I had. Now it's all gone. I feel so much better. As I told you, just 10 minutes in the bed straight, and it's good. Thank you so much for joining the adventure from Sweden to Nepal. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and join my Patreon family as well. It's more behind the scene and exclusive material. Take care and I'll see you soon.